Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make raw banana cutlet. You can have this for lunch or you can consume this as tea time snacks also. Either you can deep fry or semi fry this raw banana cutlet. See, now let's go into the video how to make crispy raw banana cutlet. 2 big size raw banana, coriander leaves, small onion, green chilli, rice flour, fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon, salt and chili powder. These are the ingredients needed to make raw banana cutlet. Cut both the edges of raw banana, then cut it into 2 halves. Pressure cook this banana for 2 whistles. Now dry powder this fennel seeds. See, now raw banana is pressure cooked. Remove it from the cooker. Peel off the skins. Mash the raw banana using the masher or you can use your hands also. Now after mashing it, add the powdered fennel seeds, chopped green chilli, chopped coriander leaves, chopped small onion, add half tablespoon of chili powder, salt as per required. Nicely mix everything till it gets bind nicely. See, in this stage you can make patties of your shape. You can even make like a small ball or a flat patty. So now patties are ready. Once the oil is ready in kadai, drop down patties. You can add patties subject to your size of kadai. Now flip both the sides. Cook it till it gets golden brown. Keep the flame to medium and sim. Mashed raw banana consistency should be thick. Then only cutlet won't drink oil. It comes crispy also. Instead of deep frying, you can semi fry in dosa pan also. Now cutlets are ready. You can take out from oil, collect it in a tissue wrapped plate.